The city, known for its greenery, experienced a practical deforestation as advertisers wanted people to have a clearer view of their advertisement boards. The number of billboards increased to the extent that it seemed the city was growing them. But now the Punjab government has decided to change that.
And there was a hodgepodge growth of these hoardings all around the city. And they were not only looking ugly, they were also polluting the environment. You can't see the horizon. So the Punjab government decided to remove the hoardings, not all of them, but most of the hoardings would be gone.
The Punjab government will remove all billboards atop different buildings. But the work needs to speed up as monsoon has arrived, and this is when these billboards can be life-threatening. But while the Punjab government is going all out against the billboards, it has nevertheless not closed its doors to the advertisement industry. It has plans to keep the revenue flowing.
Advertisement does not mean that it ends with the hoarding. There are other places where we can attract these companies, and the companies are coming forth about it. We have asked the National College of Arts and other such institutions to come and join us in beautifying the city.
Advertisers and corporate sector have welcomed this decision and hope that the PHA will not repeat the mistakes of the past. They believe it was a self-inflicted pain by the authorities.
To be fair, it is was this PHA or MDA Multan or Rawalpindi Civic Authority or Faisalabad Civic Authority who did not allocated the space in the past according to their own policy. The world practices of different civic authorities in different countries is that they do not permit mega signs in the center of the cities.
Official sources tell Dawn News that dozens of billboards across the city were placed without taking permission from the authorities, under influence of political figures which include the son of the former Chief Minister of Punjab, Pervez Elahi.
None of the billboards are owned by me or anyone in my family or any associate of mine. I mean, they've been after me trying to prove something. I've been asking them, please bring some person, some paper, some billboard, some company which is in any way linked to me, but they haven't been able to do so.
With all parties, including the government, the advertising agencies and the corporate sector, supporting the removal of billboards, it seems that nature will now replace commercialism to return the city's lost beauty. Daniel Allison, Dawn News, Lahore.